On the road again, tripping. Hello, Rolling Stoners. Hope you're well. We're in Port Elizabeth, the Windy City. I just want to point some stuff out here quickly so that you can see all these restaurants along this lane of restaurants are tied in beautifully to the relationship with Bud Boulevard, who have quite wisely made sure that the munchies phenomenon is well looked after in relation to the cannabis culture. Come have a look. I love the specials board. There are no specials today, but I think that's a really cool thing to do. Beautiful logo, the Lion of Judah, really lacquer. This is the lounge area. The lounge area's got really cool art in it. It's easy on the eye. Reggae style, which is nice. Really cool big space, which is important because some of the places I've been to are quite overcrowded because of the lack of space. The artwork is really nice, done by one of the owner's daughters. And you all know how we feel about art. Beautiful. Then this is very special because it's a secluded area where you can come and chill and do your thing, play some pool. That door leads to all the restaurants, which makes easy access to food when you need it. I like this particular piece of art or graphic. What's that movie? What's it called? Avatar. Reminds me of Avatar. Come through. It's also home to the Humble Traveller at this point in time, and the Humble Traveller, Carl. Carl's a legend. We look forward to doing something with Carl. This is the entry. Good to have a security gate. All the refreshments you need. Beautiful accessories. Sorry, my name's Cameron from ROLLingSTONER.
Gabby, lovely to meet you.
How's it, Gabby?
Hi, Cameron. Daniel.
Hello, Daniel. Guys, what's your most unique selling point here for yourselves?
Quality and the price point.
Quality and the price point. All right. And tell me about how long have you been a bartender for?
It's first day.
Is it your first
Yeah,
day?
it is.
Legend, well done. So you got a lot to learn, huh?
Yeah, I did.
And how do you resonate with natural medicine and stuff?
I quite enjoy it. I love it. I've smoked it for quite a while.
Yeah.
And I enjoy that we have the dispensaries in it at
Okay.
such ease and better quality at least.
Okay, lucky.
Yeah.
You don't have to sell good quality hard.
Yeah.
And how long have you been open for?
4 months now.
Okay, and how's it going?
It's very well. Very
Good.
Well, thank you. We are picking up every day, new customers every single day, and returning members.
I love your clean setup. Well done for that. It's nice and warm and friendly, tidy, which in some places you don't find. I think also because they're really, really busy at times, and to keep that that attention to detail is quite hard. Guys, thank you very much for your time.